Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update Zoom Workplace on your Windows PC in 2026. Keeping Zoom updated is important because new updates include bug fixes, security improvements, and the latest features. First, open the Zoom Workplace app on your computer and sign in to your account if needed. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the Zoom window. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click Check for Updates. Zoom will automatically check for the latest available version. If a new update is available, click Update or Install to begin the download. Wait for the update to download and install. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, click Restart Zoom to apply the update. Once Zoom reopens, your app will be updated to the latest version. To confirm the update, click your profile picture again and select Check for Updates. If you see a message that says you are up to date, then the update was successful. That's it. Your Zoom Workplace app is now updated and ready to use with the latest features and performance improvements. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.